Hi guys! Ito na yung mga ano ko, donut guys. This one on bread. Mamaya guys, anuhan ko ito ng toppings, sugar and cinnamon. Ito na guys, sugar and cinnamon. Ubo-ubo man siya. Tapos, hindi ko siya. Thank you for watching. And cinnamon, donut cinnamon with sugar and cinnamon. Okay, thank you. Ang second coating guys, gatas and sugar. This na. Milk and sugar. Okay? Thank you so for watching. Bye!
Hindi lahat ng nakaraan pwedeng balikan, pero lahat ng nakaraan pwede mong higitan. Kaya habang nasa iyo, ingatan mo.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you.